Hi friends, welcome back. In this video I am going to discuss the Boolean algebra and Boolean laws. So what is Boolean algebra? Boolean algebra is a system of mathematics based on logic that has its own set of rules or laws which are used to define and reduce Boolean expressions. That is, Boolean algebra is used to analyze and simplify the digital logic circuit. Boolean algebra uses only the binary numbers 0 and 1. The variables used in the Boolean algebra only have one of two possible values, a logic 0 and a logic 1. But an expression can have an infinite number of variables. Boolean algebra is also known as binary algebra or logical algebra. Boolean algebra was invented by George Boole in the year 1854. Now we are going to discuss the Boolean laws. The different types of Boolean laws are commutative law, associative law, distributive law, identity law, complement law, idempotent law, inversion law, and annulment law. Now let us discuss each of these laws in detail. Commutative law. Any binary operation which satisfies the following expression is referred to as commutative operation. A into B equal to B into A. The order in which two variables are ANDed makes no difference here. A plus B equal to B plus A. Here also the order in which these two variables are odd makes no difference. That is, this law states that changing the order of variables does not have an effect on output of a logic circuit. The next law is associative law. This law states that the order in which the logic operations are performed is irrelevant as their effect is the same. That means this law allows the removal of brackets from an expression and regrouping of the variables. A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. This is the OR associative law. Similarly, in the case of AND associative law, we have A into B into C equal to A into B into C equal to A into B into C. This law allows the removal of brackets from an expression and regrouping of the variables. Next is distributive law. This law permits the multiplying or factoring out of an expression. Distributive law states the following expression: A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. This is the OR distributive law. A plus B into C equal to A plus B into A plus C. This is the AND distributive law. The next law is identity law. A term odd with a 0 or ANDed with a 1 will always equal that term. A plus 0 equal to A. A variable odd with 0 is always equal to the variable. The next expression is A into 1 equal to A. Here a variable ANDed with 1 is always equal to the variable itself. The next law is idempotent law. This law states that an input that is ANDed or odd with itself is equal to that input. Consider the following expression: A plus A equal to A. This means a variable odd with itself is always equal to the variable. The second expression is A into A equal to A states that a variable ANDed with itself is always equal to the variable. This is the idempotent law. The next law is inversion law. This law uses the NOT operation. The inversion law states that the double inversion of a variable results in the original variable itself. That is, A double inversion is equal to A itself. Next law is complement law. A term ANDed with its complement equals 0 and a term odd with its complement equals 1. Consider the two expressions A into A complement equal to 0. This shows the variable ANDed with its complement is always equal to 0. A plus A complement equal to 1. This expression shows the variable odd with its complement is always equal to 1. The next law is annulment law. A term ANDed with a 0 equals 0 and odd with 1 will equal 1. The first expression A into 0 equal to 0. That means a variable ANDed with 0 is always equal to 0. A plus 1 equal to 1. This expression states that a variable odd with 1 is always equal to 1. These are the basic Boolean laws. These Boolean laws can be used to prove any given Boolean expression as well as for simplifying complicated digital circuits. So in short, the basic laws of Boolean algebra that relate to the commutative law, allowing a change in position for addition and multiplication, and the associative law allowing the removal of brackets for addition and multiplication, as well as the distributive law allowing the factoring of an expression, are the same as in ordinary algebra. If you find this topic helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon. Then only you will get the notifications of new videos.